then it's your date ng event ni Alden. Just for pedal power. Just sa SM City Marikina. World Bicycle Day. Si Alden. And dahil pang lumahok. Siyempre kasama si Alden. Nag-cycling. Dahil nagbabay ko. Isa na si Alden. Start na nga sila. Ayan si Alden. World Bicycle Day. Sa SM City Marikina. Bye ko. Ito naman yung speech ni Alden.
When it comes to cycling kasi, actually, pagdating kasi sa aksidente, it's never a question of how it. It's always a question of when. You can never be so sure about kung kailan ka, kasi syempre in cycling, bisikleta ka lang and you only have your helmet as your safety gear. So, iba yung pag-iingat sa daan po ang kailangan natin, and at the same time, kailangan isipin muna natin, we have to be mindful of the road that we're going to take, and at the same time, we take care of other cyclists din along the way. Siyempre, and yun din po, sana sa mga nakakanood po na motorists natin, ingat lang din po, and sana we give the same respect sa daan po para sa mga siklista, para maiwasan ng aksidente. Diba? Para mas masaya ang community natin, and at the same time, we can encourage more people to get into cycling for a sustainable future and a healthier lifestyle.
Wow, thank you so much, Alden. So that's alertness and safety gears to make sure that everyone is in.
Happy World Bicycle Day. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard in Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.